So, me and my niece are currently at a cat shelter. We're just doing some volunteer work. That's why I look a little bit sweaty. My hair's a little greasy. We've already been working for 2 hours just cleaning the water, playing with the cats. They're so friendly, like this girl. She's so friendly. She's available for adoption. And this place is more like a cat sanctuary, and they have over like 200 cats. So they do adoption, they do foster, and they accept volunteers as well, because I mean 200 cats is a lot. They need help to take care of them all. So definitely we want to make this like a monthly thing, and I just wanted to bring you guys along just to encourage you guys to go to your local pet or cat shelter to help out, because these babies just all need a home. And I really love this foundation and what they do. But yeah, this place is like on a farm, so maybe you can hear like the chickens and stuff. Hey girl. Hey, and it. No fighting, no fighting, no fighting, no fighting. So everyone in this room is up for adoption. I low-key want her. She's so cute, she's so friendly. So everyone in here is for adoption, as well as in the room next door. And then everyone else in the sanctuary just lives here. So these cats are a little bit older. Hi! Oh, I want to take you home. Look how many cats are here. We got a very exciting package. This is from Sunny. So I actually did unbox it with you guys yesterday, but I didn't like how my makeup looked, so I'm refilming it today. Even though I've already seen everything, I just wanted to like show you what she sent me. So she sent me another box. She did send me one box last year. If you guys want to see what she got me, I'll leave it in the cards. And I also did send her a box last year as well. I also sent her another one. So we're kind of just like doing these little love packages is what we like to call it, and I think it's just so cute, and just getting to know her every day, like something I'm very grateful for, because she truly is the sweetest and most kindest person ever. So I want to show you what she sent me this time around. Everything is very cute, very like pink themed as well, which I'm here for. So the first thing that she sent over was this bag from Lush. I actually requested this because she was in Japan, and Lush did have a collab with One Piece, and it's been out I think since like last year, maybe like October or something, and New Zealand just never got it. But we actually got it a few weeks ago. But I did ask for this way before that, which I really do appreciate her getting these for me, because she like made a trip to the Lush store. So the first one is the Gomu Gomu Devil Fruit, Luffy's one. This is like my favorite one. This one smells like black currant, and I noticed that the Japan bath bombs have so much more detail than the ones in New Zealand. Like for some reason my bath bombs that I got don't look this detailed. Like this one I also got too, the straw hat. There's like a lot of detail on it, and I'm just so obsessed with it. I actually used this 2 nights ago, the one I personally bought, and it's like a bubble bath. So you just put it under running water, and then you will have a little bubble bath. But she also got me the Luffy one, and then she got me Ace's fruit. This one smells really spicy. Like the whole box smelled like this one. This one is really, really strong. But yeah, you can see a lot of detail on it. So this is Ace's fruit. And the last one she got me is the human fruit, which is Chopper's. And his one's actually a 2-in-1. So it looks like this. Let me see if I can get it out. So this is the top half. It kind of looks like a little mushroom. And then we have the bottom half, and you just put it on like this. So you got like a 2-in-1 bath bomb. This one is my second favorite in terms of scent, and I treasure these bath bombs for sure. Then let's move into the box. She sent a lot of cute things, because again she did go to Japan, so a lot of these things I feel like are from Japan. So let's first start off with the snacks. These both are ramen. One is My Melody and one is Kurumi, which is so cute. I'm gonna have this with my nephew because he's actually over for the weekend, so I'm gonna have it with him and we'll try it out. But I think it's so cute. And then she also got me these Pokemon jellies, which as you can see I did already rip one open yesterday, and I've already tried it again with my nephew. It's like little tiny little jellies, like little gummies. Here, I'll show you a few. So they're looks like Pikachu. I forgot this guy's name. This guy. I feel like he was the last generation I watched, so I'm not really like too familiar with all their names. Oh yeah, so good. I love these. And I have 2 packs. And then she got me these little pocket monsters, which are like DIY little wooden artworks, which I love this kind of stuff. And then Sunny just wrote a little note saying that she got into these. Hope you'll like it. Pretty stressful in the beginning, but it gets fun. Got these from my previous Tokyo trip. So this one is a Pikachu one, and then she got me this one. She said this whole color story is so Judy, had to get this. And this is Gigi, the black cat, which you guys know I love my black cats. Then we have this little box here. It's the Easy Chop Band Mask. She says that she really loves this mask, and she saw that Freezia also used it in one of her vlogs. You can customize it, and it's also for the neck. It's perfect. And just looking at the instructions, it looks like it's one like long sheet mask, and then you can cut it up and put it on your neck, forehead, cheeks, which is so cool. You can do anything with these really. It comes with stickers. So cute. I'll show you a bit up close. Be a real YouTuber, Judy. And then this is what the actual box looks like. I still haven't finished the mask that she got me last time because it just comes with so much. So I love it, and I love this reusable pink box that I definitely will be repurposing. You guys know me, always gotta repurpose. Then we also got a cute little baby, my Melody, in her little baby crib with her little pacifier. There are some other characters as well, but she got me my Melody. Like, I love this pink theme. I really do love it. I love a good theme. So this is so cute. This is gonna go with all of my other like blind boxes and plushies. We have more My Melody things. This is a cute little pouch. Has like the plaid print with Melody in gold. I feel like this brand sounds familiar to me, but I can't pinpoint what it is. We have the cute little ribbon, and it's just a little cute makeup pouch. And I love this kind of stuff because I always put little pouches in my bags to organize and separate my things. So this is perfect for me. Again, she just knows me too well. Then she also got me a Starbucks mug. I actually wanted this. Like, I was gonna go today and look for it because it's been sold out in New Zealand, so I was gonna have a look in stores if they had it anywhere, because this is seriously so cute. It has a little bear inside. It's got the cherry blossoms. I love it, and I'm so happy that I got it because I did purchase one thing from this collection. It was like a mug. And then the last thing, I also knew that was coming because she did mention it to me. It is this pink sweater with a cat on it. I don't really know how to pronounce that name, but Sunny has been wearing their clothing a lot, and she actually has a collaboration with them. I'm sure by the time that I upload this vlog, she probably would have announced it by now, which I'm so proud of her, and I'm so excited. And I think what she did with her collab is so iconic. So cute. Okay, you guys gotta check it out. I'm gonna leave it down below. But yeah, she sent me one of their hoodies because I saw her wearing this, and she got this for me in the pink. I'm gonna have to do an OOTD on my Instagram or something because I gotta support her. Thank you so much, Sunny, for sending this all over. If you guys want to see what I sent her this time around, I think she said she's gonna unbox it in her vlog as well, so I'll have her vlog down below so you guys can see what I sent her. But I'm so happy with everything. Thank you so much, Sunny. I live for our friendship. Like, literally, I can't even believe that we're friends. So I'm gonna just like pack all this away. We are heading out today. I'm gonna vlog today. This is my Wendy's outfit. We're going to the art gallery, and I just have a few things to do today. My nephew is gonna be joining me because I did get invited to a bubble tea place. They're giving me some free drinks for some Instagram stories, so I was like, sure, I'll see you there. And my nephew, he is so obsessed with bubble tea, so yeah. They're giving me 3 drinks. I'm gonna give him 2 of the drinks, and I'll just get one for myself. So we got a little auntie and nephew date today. And that's how it works. Alright, it is that time of the month. We are going on our girls' date with Joy, and the theme of the month is yellow. The photo booth frame for this month is like spring, and we're gonna go for the yellow frame. And you guys know me, I love a good theme. I love being monochromatic, hence the yellow outfit. I also did add some gold to my makeup. Usually I go for like a silvery shade, but today we went for gold. So yeah, I'm excited for today because also the PETITE collection, I think it's like the coffee series, did release in New Zealand today finally, so I'm excited for that. Wow, 12. Thank you. 11? Okay, I'm gonna just whatever. Just whatever. Cute.
Okay, I'm just gonna get this one.
Okay, I'm gonna get these two. We're back! So, we both got the PETITE Rabbit Cafe and the Chinese New Year Lucky Charm.
I'm gonna get out of one.
No. Don't. This is Lucky Charm.
What'd you get?
I don't know. I don't want to look at it yet. Don't look at her.
I said no.
Oh, mine's red.
Mine's yellow.
Oh, yellow's lucky, like gold.
Oh, I got an ugly one.
What is it? Mine's this girl. This bunny girl.
Okay. Mine's Lapupu.
That one's cute.
Okay, yeah, Lapupu's not bad.
Mine's called Safety and... How do you say that?
Wait. Safety. Auspiciousness.
Auspiciousness. Oh, we got the one next to we're next to each other.
Yeah.
Your one is...
Opportunity knocks.
Year of Opportunity. Mine is Safety.
I think this is saying what luck you'll have.
Yeah. That's what I got. I got
house.
Safety and...
Auspiciousness.
Yep, and Joy got Opportunity. Wait, you can't even see mine. Opportunity knock. And now, the moment of truth. Okay. We've been waiting for this for months and months. Rabbit's Cafe. Okay.
Opening.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's already there?
No, I saw the...
Oh, I know what I got. Yeah,
What'd you get?
I think I got the one you wanted.
Which one is that?
I got this one, I think.
I got that one too!
No. Is it? Actually, wait. Is it actually?
Yeah, I got that one.
No! Actually?
Yeah.
No! What are the odds?
Let's go back.
We made a promise we wouldn't go back. So this one is called Rabbit Waitress. We specifically drove away from town to get away from popmart.
No, the thing is at the moment I opened it, I saw this.
I saw that. And I was yeah, and I was like, oh.
Yay.
Oh, that's cute.
Bro, we look so pink.
I think we match pink.